Hi, this is Ganesh. Let us understand semantic HTML. So far we have learned the HTML structure, like how do we divide your HTML page, how do you put headings, how do you format your text, how do you place your text, how do you format your text, how to display the elements. So this is all about structuring your content for the web. But what is the purpose of semantic HTML? Nowadays, humans are not the only ones reading the web, right? Nowadays, a lot of bots reading the websites, a lot of search engines reading your website. So, for example, if you share a link on a social media platform, you will get a nice snapshot of that particular link, like image, text. How is this happening? A social media crawler is going to that website and fetching that information and displaying it to the user. If machine is reading your content, that means machine has to go through entire page. No, it actually visits specific locations like your headings, paragraphs. So this is your typical HTML structure, and this is the semantic HTML. So if a machine or a human coming to your website like this, all you see is different divisions and you cannot figure out what data inside what div. So in the case of semantic HTML, a machine or a human can figure out that this is header, and I can find all the branding related information here, all the navigation information here. And if I wanted to go through some of the articles on that page, it can revisit these article tags and figure out the images and headings and other things. And it can index this page or crawl this page to a social media platform. The semantic HTML makes that crawling or searching or reading. So that is why the semantic HTML is created. Let's look at a demo of what semantic HTML is. Let me go ahead and create a header tag. So this tag signifies that it is a container for header, and we can place in a company logo or branding, such sort of things. And we can create a navigation for this. This element actually says that it contains the navigation of that particular site. So now I keep my navigation inside header only, or I can keep it outside. Let me go ahead and create some of the elements in them. Now I have 3 links in the menu. Let me go ahead and create my main container. So here, now the actual container of my body starts. So I want to create few sections in my content so that I can demo different types of tags to you. First goes the aside tag. Aside tag usually contains links or references within the page. So now here goes my article. So that I just want to create one article here in the page. An article does have a heading and it has a figure like an image. I'm actually going to place an article image there, and I'm actually linking an image that is my website, and actually put some caption here. So this caption basically talks about this image, what is this image and what's in it. Now I have some content to it, like what is the article is all about. Next up is the section tag. Section tag indicates the content theme of particular portion of the website. So let me go ahead and create a heading. So this heading says that this is a section for media articles. Now I'm going to create another article. The article type is video, and now I'm linking a video. So here is a different tag that you need to understand. I've created a video tag and I've assigned the width of 400 and set controls. So I'm actually expecting this video container to have some controls in them, and this is my source of the video. So what is the type of it is? The video is MP4, and I said source link to that video. The type of that particular video format is this. If your browser does not support the video tag, this is the text coming in the place of the video, so that the user knows that your browser or the user's browser is not supported to render the video. And then goes some text. Let's create another article and another heading, that is audio. So same like video, you can create audio also, same source tag, and you can create MP3 file, and you can link an MP3 file, or actually I have actually tagged wrong format, and now this is an MP3 format. There are different kinds of formats browser can render, such as OGG, MP3. I'll make a separate video of compatible audio or video format on them, and let's move on. For now, Let's put some text. So I've used the same text. It doesn't really matter what text I use. So I just wanted to demo the, no matter whatever the tag you place, the overall structure of the page is not going to change. So if I put an aside bar, it doesn't move my content to a side, or if I say main, it doesn't highlight the content or something. So it just, the HTML structure is actually have some meaning to them. Like what is what, you can figure out that like this. This is header. By look at the tag, I can say this is header, this is navigation, this is where my main content resides, and this is my aside bar, article, and this is section, and this section does have different articles in them. So it's kind of, the structure is, the semantic tags are defining the HTML structure, theme of that particular content properly. So that is the main purpose of these semantic tags. Nothing fancy you can observe in the rendering. It's just plain old tags with some meaningful name. In the future video, let us style these tags so that the layout can be beautiful. If we go back and look at the HTML page, videos are working. Audio is loading. It's playing for me now if you can't hear. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe. Let me know if I missed to discuss about any other semantic tags out there in the comments. Thank you.